Hello children, in this video we will be learning about EVS chapter 14 Baswa's form. So in this chapter we will discuss about the process of cultivating an onion crop. So before moving to the lesson, let's know who is a farmer. So a farmer is a person who works on a farm and grows crops. Now let's learn about the cultivation of onion crop. So here is Baswa. He lives in Belvanika village in Karnataka and he is preparing the field to sow the onion crop. So to sow the onion crop, first they need to dig the soil with the help of Kunti. You can see that is an equipment which is used to dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. After digging the soil, the time is to sow the seeds. So sowing the seeds is done with Kurigi. You can see in the picture there, that is Kurigi. The bullocks will pull the Kurigi and the person standing behind will sprinkle the seeds, and the onion seeds are sown in the month of July. So after sowing the seeds, now it is the time to water the plants. So it is necessary to water the plants so that the sprouts can come out from the ground, and it is necessary for the seeds to grow. So sprouts appear after 20 days after sowing the seeds. So you can see in the picture there, sprouts have appeared, and along with the sprouts the weeds are also grow in the garden there. So what are weeds? Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow in the farm without being planted, and it is necessary to remove the weeds from the plants. So the process of removing weeds or unwanted plants from the farm is called as weeding. And now tell me why it is important to remove the weeds from the farm? Yes, because if weeds are not removed from the farm, they will take up all the water and fertilizers from the soil, and the main plants will not be healthy. So this is the reason to remove weeds from the soil. Then after some days you can see the onions grown, and the leaves of the onion plant become yellow and start drying up, which means that they are ready to be taken out. And if they are not taken out and if they are left, the onions will rot in the ground, and all the hard work done by the farmers will be wasted. So it is necessary to remove the onions at the correct time. Then after removing the onions from the ground, by just pulling the leaves, the onions come out from the ground. Then after harvesting the onions, all the onions, the leaves of the dry leaves of the onions are removed with the help of the another instrument called as illigi. You can see here illigi. It is used to cut the dry leaves from the onions. So you can see this equipment at home also. Is it your mother will be using here to cut vegetables? Not only dry leaves of onions, it is used to cut vegetables and different things also at home. So after cutting the dried leaves, the onions are packed in the sacks and taken in trucks to be sold in the market. So this is all the process of cultivating the onions. Now let's learn about the tools used in farming, not only in onion but in all other things. So this is the spade or kunti. It is used to dig the soil and loosen it. And this is shovel. This is also used in digging and loosening the soil. Garden fork, digging and loosening the soil. Then plow. So this is used in olden days, that is digging, loosening and turning the soil. Even now also in some villages this is used and it is called as the plow. Then funnel, it is used to sow the seeds. You can see in the picture the funnel. The seeds are dropped in the funnel, and as the bullocks move from the funnel, the seeds one by one will be dropped into the soil there. And here watering can. Many of you may be having at home, is it? And this can is filled with water and used to water the plants. Water sprinkler. So these are fixed in the ground and connection is given there. Sickle. So used to cut the plants and maybe used to cut during the time of harvesting. So this is tractor. Nowadays used to loosen the soil and dig and loose the soil. So this is all about Baswas farm.